Did I cut myself? Hey guys, it's Kenzi. So today I'm going to be shaving my face, and the reason I'm shaving my face is because I read on Pinterest and saw a couple YouTube videos about how it gives you clear skin, it's rid of dead skin, and it makes it harder for breakouts to occur, and it makes it harder for like dead skin to build up, something around those lines. I think I'm saying something wrong, but I know what I'm talking about in my head. So I went to the store and I bought some aloe vera gel. And I bought a face or eyebrow razor, but oh my gosh, it took me forever to find it. So I'm about to put this all over my face. Oh, I washed my face, which is why it looks dry, obviously. And I did a facial scrub. I'm about to get real up close and personal. I know for the most part I have clear skin, but I do have problem areas. This part is never not a problem area, and I don't understand. Like, I have time to time breakouts right here, but this right here never freaking fails me. I mean, I have a breakout right here. These are probably the worst, but they don't pop up every freaking month or so. It's so cold. Okay. I could be doing this wrong. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but do I care? No, because it seems fun. So why not do it? I'm only going to do a section at a time because I'm not about to just have a whole bunch of aloe vera gel on my face. It's kind of funny. I used to use aloe vera gel like in my routine as a regular. Like, you know, used it morning and night. Stopped doing that because my skin didn't like that. It said to pull. I don't know why I'm laughing. It said to pull away from the face. I feel like it was mostly hair. Yeah, it was mostly hair. I shaved my face one time with like actual, you know, shaving cream. I don't think you're supposed to do that, but it was fun. I recommend you shave your face with shaving cream at least once, just for the fun of it. Yo, I thought I had a pimple down there. I was about to get mad. Cause since when? Even though that wouldn't make much sense because I've been looking at my face this whole time. Did I cut myself? I was like, what is that? Really, like, what is that red stuff on my face? I didn't put anything red on my face. Wow, talk about weak skin. Okay, I'm just gonna... What the heck? Ooh! I thought it was like a little minor cut. I'm about heated. Keep going. I don't care. I do care. I'm a little sad. Whatever. You know how I said in my other video I posted the other day, I said I could be heavy-handed. I guess this is where it comes into play. Because what the heck? Can I put like more aloe vera gel on it? It's supposed to stink. I'm gonna leave that there. Act like my face looks perfect. Oh, freak, it's stinging now. having a mustache sometimes, like for real. Did that side go well? I think it went well. The most important part we have left here is the forehead. I'm gonna do this little part though because I do need to like shave that down a little. I'm not gonna get too close over here. Like, no. I'm really over here shaving something like, wow, I wonder what that pink thing is, and didn't bother to investigate it. Okay. Myself. Why am I so red? You know what? This was supposed to give me clear skin. You know what I'm doing? Hurting myself. Maybe I shouldn't have got these razors. I'm livid. It's fine. It's fine. I'm done. My attitude's really coming out. I can't believe I did that. I mean, it looks faint. And it is faint in the mirror. But gosh dang. I really cut myself. That wasn't no light cut. These are flesh. Am I goofy or am I goofy? Well, here's a little comedy video for you guys. Don't know if you needed a laugh, but good thing I'm not a freaking skin expert. Good thing nobody's gonna see me. Well, my friend's about to see me, but she's my good friend, so she may laugh at me because she hates me. Just kidding, she doesn't hate me, but she may laugh at me because I'm being a goofball and a dipweed twat bozo bean head ball. This is so humiliating. I've been knowing how to treat my scars better, you know, acne scars and cuts and whatnot. So no, not that big of a deal now to me. Now I've seen it in the mirror because I know exactly what to do and exactly what to put in them. And actually something I ordered for this type of stuff just came in today, so look at that. Isn't that just wonderful? If you're wondering what I'm putting on my face, it's rose hip seed oil by The Ordinary. This is the only thing I put on my face at night other than fade cream, but yeah, fade cream will actually get this away in a couple days. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Since I'm actually about to put it on, I might as well show y'all. It looks like this. I had to order it from Kroger because I couldn't find it anywhere in the store. Like literally went to Target, couldn't find it in Kroger, and these are both places that have them. It has the little pointer thingy that you can put this in. Beautiful. The fact that this one won't stop doing this crap is starting to make me mad. I wonder if it says anything about not putting it on open wounds. It says this product is not for use in the prevention of sunburn. I wouldn't say this is sunburn, but I've done this before. I had a little thing going on up here. You wouldn't even know it was there. I mean, now you know it's there because I told you it was there, but you wouldn't know it was there if I didn't tell you it was there. I'll sit a few minutes before I rub it in. Okay. So so I'm done. It's done. Everything's done. I mean, my face does feel smooth though. I mean, that's the only bright side, I guess. Everything else was terrible for me. Yeah, so this is it. My skin still looks good. So I mean, give it 3-4 days. I'm gonna be back in shape. I already know. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.